Welcome to Mailware Multi-Channel Manager. This section covers purchase orders, receive inventory, and adjust inventory. In Mailware, at the inventory level, you can specify that when you reach a certain level of product, you want to order more. At that point, you would want to create a purchase order. Mailware will print a report or show you on screen the items that you need to order, and you can create a new purchase order by clicking New and selecting a vendor. This will specify the vendor's shipping information, where you want it shipped to, which is you. And you can begin selecting products. Selecting products can be as simple as keying them in or using our product search to find the products either by product number, description, or long description. You can also search across all those fields by typing any word that might appear in them. Well, this is a flower garden, so it's easy to find flowers. And then simply adding them to the PO. You can specify how many you want to order, a different cost if you don't have one already in the system, as is in this case, and continue until you're done. You can also specify a message, input an expected date if you want your operators to be able to see that at order entry so they know when it's going to be coming, and any FOB instructions. When you're done, you can print, email, fax, or we can upload files to a portal, an FTP site, via CSV, etc., to your vendors for them to fill. When a PO comes in this case it's PO number 10, you can receive inventory. Receive inventory allows you to select a vendor. We'll go back to the same vendor and one or more POs to receive. We'll receive the one we just created, which just has one item. At that point, you can choose to receive all if you're lucky enough to receive exactly what you ordered. However, you can edit that after doing so. Or you can go through and put in as many as you did receive for any of the products that came in. If you know it at that time, you could specify shipping, tax, any adjustments for breakage, etc. And if you have this, you can enter it now, the invoice date and the invoice number, or you can come back and enter it when your vendor sends that to you. In addition to receiving items, you can receive items directly to any of your locations in Mailware. Multiple locations is covered in the inventory management section. But this can be warehouses with bin numbers, etc., so you can receive them directly. When you're ready, you just say apply to inventory. Those items are received and they're now available. In our process orders, we show you how to refill back orders, which is frequently done right after doing receive inventory because you now have product available to release those orders into the queue for processing. In addition to purchase orders and receiving inventory, you can adjust inventory at any time. Adjusting inventory can be used by change to, or you can add one at a time, good for wanding or keying in incremental changes. Change to seems to be one of the easier things, so we'll look at that. You can either key or wand in your product numbers directly into the grid or click prefill like I've done, and then go take inventory and simply enter in the actual number you have. So if on inventory you find you have 101 and 99 and your stock doesn't quite match, that's okay. Mailware will, when you're ready to update, change the quantities to match what you put in adjust inventory and save your changes in a file that can be accessed either through a database manager or with a report, so you can see where your counts were off. Adjust inventory is also helpful when you want to do just a one-off change to a number and you want to have a record of it changing. And this concludes the purchase order and associated items tutorial. Thank you.